review a pawpaw. Come over here.
Okay, come
See,
down.
This is the pawpaw. And this is all the other pawpaw.
Where are the other pawpaws?
In this box.
Oh, wow.
But when they are green means they are not ripe.
Oh, so when are they ripe, Long?
When they are this color.
Okay. And so let's show friend the cluster of pawpaw. So, oh yeah, look at this, how heavy this is.
Those are this spoon and this plate is for eating and this knife is for cutting the fruit.
Okay, come on, Long, come on over here. Let's show friend how heavy a cluster of pawpaw weighs. Can you hold that?
Okay.
Okay, let's put it on.
It's so heavy.
Okay, let's go. Okay, now you let. Okay, now let's say. So, oh, that just jumped off. Let me try. Is it? Wait. This is even accurate. Okay, let's not work. Okay, okay. Never mind.
You're not supposed to do that. You don't know how to
Okay.
do it. Only I can test.
1.4. It keeps saying 1.4, so I'm gonna say this is 1.4 pounds. Let's weigh this whole thing. Can you help me? Because this is so heavy, it will work. When it's too light, it doesn't work. Now that works right there. Okay, so it's 13.8 pounds for this much of pawpaw. Okay. We still have some over here that's really ripe. So I would say 14 pounds. Yeah?
My daddy's is over here, but it's broccoli.
Okay, come here, Long.
Let me
So-
show you my daddy.
So let's show friend.
My daddy does not work because
This is we try to get a small scale, but it's broken. So we're gonna recycle it.
Because my dad put me on it when I was 1 year old because he bought it a long time ago.
Okay, so let's listen. Mommy wants to tell something. So this variety has, look, about 1, 2. Long, can you help friend count how many clusters on here? Count how many fruit is on there. Count.
One.
Don't take it off. Oh yeah, no, don't take it off.
2,
Don't pick it off.
3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, so this particular branch has 6 clusters, and some other varieties might have just 3, like this. Okay.
I want to put it back in.
Okay, and the leaves, well, it's usually like this. You see how cute that is? The leaves can be really huge.
This is one of it.
Yes, they vary in size. Look, right here. You got a really small one and a really large one. But keep in mind, pawpaw is to be...
I found a small one that's the same size.
Is it a baby one? Okay. So a pawpaw, you can see when it's ripe, it will look really ugly like this.
Yeah.
This is when it's time to eat. Some of them give a little give like this. Pretty good. It's ready too. And you can see the color does change as it gets more ripe. You can see it's the difference right here. This is more firmer, this is more softer, and we got some that's really mush, like pudding, pawpaw pudding. For this one,
Don't open the door, lock the door because we're making a video.
okay, so pawpaws this hard right here is not going to ripe. From the tree, if you want to know if the fruit is ready to be picked, you usually shake it. See, no matter how much you shake, it can be like an earthquake or whatever. If it's not ripe, it's not coming down. It's pretty tough. Look. Okay. so if it is ripe, it will fall. It is not going to fall. You see that? Oh, there you go. That one's not ripe. I think you were just too abusive with that one. But out of these, some has a little give. These will be a little edible.
This one is ripe.
No, it's not. It's really hard. So it's not gonna ripen
but
once
fail.
you pick it.
But it fail when I shake it.
You shake too hard, that's why. Wait. Can you wait? So what I'm saying is, these will be using the seeds to grow some pawpaw seedlings. So we're okay with that. We know. We just wanted to show you when. So this is the part B. I got cut off somehow. So when it's not ripe and you harvest it, you can only use it for the seeds to grow. You really don't. You don't eat unripe pawpaws. So when they automatically start falling from the tree, that's the best time to harvest and eat. So, you ready?
Look, I
Okay.
ate it and I found the seed.
Oh,
right
you did.
there.
Okay, so come stand over here, and come sit here. Come sit here. Okay, come sit. No, not sit, but like come here. I want to see your face. I want to see your face. Okay. So tell me, you don't eat the skin. Don't eat the skin. That's why mommy have a spoon for you. Okay. So let's get this out. It's kind of large size seed right there. Want to keep them moist too. You don't want the pawpaw seeds to dry out. But Lam, listen to mama. I see you're so close.
This is another seed.
Oh, I see that. Yes, but can you use your spoon? Come here. What is the spoon for? Don't eat the skin. Could you tell mommy what you think of the pawpaw? How does it taste to you?
It tastes a little bit yucky, but still yummy. But it's so soft.
Yucky and yummy at the same time? Why you eat so much if it's yucky? You like it or not?
But it's a little bit yucky and it's a lot.
Oh my gosh.
Yummy.
Okay.
But it's so soft.
Okay, we got that soft part. So look how beautiful that looks. I'm not gonna weigh it. Our scale's not working. This is cut in a different way. It's easier to get to have the seed not be stuck when you cut it this way. But I love cutting it this way so I can see where the seeds are, and I can. Oh, you ate the whole thing. See, the skin, you throw it away. You pick off each seed before you eat it. It's much easier with this method.
Mommy, you put this into the tree so the tree can eat it.
It's into compost. Compost. Here you go. So it has very, very few seeds, but they're large, so thank goodness. So, and you know, we will probably. There's one more actually. Okay, there you go. And over here, it's much better than Cherimoya sugar apples, which we have in Asia, where oh my gosh, I hated to eat them, and their fiber texture was horrible. So there you go. One more.
One more, last one.
Yeah, here we go. Now this is what we have left. So let me eat it because I'll do a review. That's okay. These are baby spoon. Oh, so sweet. I do taste mango in here.
I had talked.
Uh-huh.
Look, I had talked. Make the camera.
Oh, there goes the pineapple.
I have talked.
Okay, that's for drying the street. So you can see when you Google Pawpaw, they commonly say tropical flavor, banana, pineapple, mango mix. It's very accurate, and it does vary between different cultivar because this is the unknown. I don't know what variety, but seedlings will never be exactly as its parents. So be better or worse. Who knows?
Who knows?
And it smells wonderful. My gosh. You do need 2 for cross-pollination at recommended 8 feet apart. Because they're not pollinated. No, don't cut it.
I want because I want to eat it.
Right here, you can eat right here. They're not pollinated by bees, so they need to be 8 feet apart. So mosquitoes And
Look, I found another
he distracts me
seed.
so badly.
See?
Can pollinate it in that sense. So you do need 2 trees, different cultivars or seedlings, 2 different seedlings, 8 feet apart from each other. And when they're young, like under 5 years old, they prefer shade, partial sun, and not full sun because the leaves will
It's so hard to
green.
get this seed out.
I'll do that in a bit. Can I finish this review? We're almost done. So keep that in mind. And I hope you enjoy this review.